All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token, AMP crypto. It's up a little bit, over 3 cents. Fantastic. Going to go to the website, go to their Twitter, see what's going on with AMP token. Also, we're going to go to Crypto Bubbles and put it on the actual platform so we can watch it and stuff. We just added that today as one of our favorites. We're going to go over that. And then the Super Bowl is coming. Or is it the Crypto Bowl? Got that coming next Sunday. They're already calling it. It could be the Crypto Bowl. So we're going to talk about that. What is Tom Brady getting into something with FTX? We will see. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own a cryptocurrency and understand it. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, I'd like to see this. Everything on the board is green. It's not the red, red, red. It's everything is green. AMP token is up 6% in the last 7 days. Awesome job. AMP token is up 4% in the last 24 hours. Fantastic. Clicking it. All right, here, up 4%. It's over 3 cents. We like that a lot. Here's what it looks like in the last day. Here's what it looks like in the last 7 days. It was down here at 2.8 cents, 2.8 cents, and it's now grown to 3.1 cents. Fantastic job. AMP is back on the uptick. Hopefully you loaded up when it was under 3. Even right now, it's a fantastic price. We'll do our price prediction when we get back at the end here. Click on the holders. 3 months ago. So 3 months ago, there was 52,000 holders of the AMP. Today, there's 66,000, 14,000 more, about 20%. There's a 20% increase in the people holding AMP token in just the last 90 days. Gotta feel great about that, everybody. Gotta love it. All right, going over to the crypto bubbles here. So I wanted to show you in the top 100, AMP token is in here. Right here's AMP. Take a look. So if you never used crypto bubbles before, you click it. And here we go. AMP is up 167% for the whole year. Now, my face may be covering that a little bit, but it's right there. Notice it's got a low here of 2.8%. I already pointed that out on the chart, the 2.8%, but it's already listed there, and it's got the high right this second. In the day, it's up 4.2%, and for the week, it's actually up 6.6%. Fantastic. Now, if I go over here to my favorites, I actually added AMP in here to my favorites now. So AMP's in here, Dogecoin Mars, Solana, Baby Dogecoin. I was talking about them the other day. Dogecoin, Safe Moon's right in here, Crow. So, but again, it's kind of nice that it's in here. Again, anything. If I wanted to check out Mana, I would just check it out. Look, Mana's up 1,100% since the year started. Holy cow, in 12 months. So I wanted to show you the crypto bubbles again. Fantastic platform. I think you could go to the 500s, 600s, and look at this. This token's up 52%. It's up 52% for the week, but it's up down 85% for the year. All right, heading over to AMP token. So let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like Link with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. What does AMP do? AMP stakes it, sends it, and repeats. When you stake the AMP, AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking the AMP, any form value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency, exchanges, loan distribution, property sales, and more. Then you can send it. Once you staked it, AMP is ready to collateralize to a transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of assets. How do they decentralize it? Well, remember what happens. AMP is like right in there, so when the merchant collects the cryptocurrency, if it takes a little bit of time, sometimes it can take 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes to actually really verify the money's there. The customer leaves. If the money's not there, AMP would actually stick in and collateralize the money for the merchant. So the merchant's never going to lose anything. So AMP's a fantastic program like that. All right, let's head back over. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. And then repeat, AMP also simplifies network rewards distribution once the transaction is complete. The AMP smart contract offers a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro-distribution and continuous compounding. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize risk for the users with smart contract features, purpose, built for collateral, nothing more, nothing less. Let's take a look at our friends From staking payments and Flex that they're providing stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP today. Some of their friends, Bittrex, Sushi, crypto.com, Coinbase. Crypto.com is going to be advertising a lot here and next Sunday. Rainbow, CoinGecko, Chainlink, just to name a few. All right, AMP token is on its way back up. It went all the way down to 2.8 cents. It's going back up right now. People were saying when it was under 4, they wanted to load up on the token. Actually, when it was at 5 cents, they wanted it to go to 4.5. Now it's at around the 3.2 cents. Still could be a fantastic time to load up. Do our price prediction when we come back. All right, the Super Bowl, or is it the Crypto Bowl, is happening next Sunday. Not tomorrow, but next Sunday. The Crypto Bowl, what does that mean? So it's the Super Bowl, question mark, or shall we call it the Crypto Bowl? Yep, look, you got crypto.com, you got FTX, you got Binance in there. Okay, we're almost at the Super Bowl season. America is gearing up for an amazing playoffs. However, this year's Super Bowl has a kick. A crypto sauce, they call it. Well, we're all aware of the ads run between the Super Bowl. They gain incredible attention for the entire nation. NBC sold all the advertisements for the upcoming Super Bowl for 30-second spots for as high as $7 million. I actually heard 5.5 and 5 million. Now I hear the highest I've heard, 7 million. A 27% increase from last year. 43% of this year's marketers are made up of new businesses, including crypto exchanges. 43%, half the advertisers, 43% is almost half the advertisers are going to be new companies they've never advertised on the Super Bowl. It's the Crypto Bowl, everybody. FTX and crypto.com, holy cow, who's going to win? What's the score at halftime? And 43% of the year's marketers are made up of new businesses, including crypto exchanges. On February 13th, we're going to hear some of the biggest names telling you've ever heard in the crypto business. But they don't know you or your finances, or do they? Trust yourself and do your research. What Butler was talking about, the fact that this year's Super Bowl will have as many crypto-backed ads running through the... Binance, of course, is one of the major advertisements this year. Another names are, oh boy, BitBuy. I didn't know BitBuy was there. FTX is going to be there, crypto.com, and BitBuy, and Binance. Breaking news, the following exchanges will run ads during the Super Bowl. I knew 2 of them. I knew FTX and crypto.com. Binance and BitBuy. All right, everybody. Let's get ready for the Crypto Bowl. We got 4 different crypto companies advertising. What's going to be the best crypto commercial? There's 4 different companies. It's going to be the best advertisement. All right, this Sunday there's a Pro Bowl. You're still going to be hearing about what Tom Brady's getting into cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and head back over to AMP Token. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Crypto Bowl, Super Bowl coming up. AMP Token back up over 3 cents. Things are on the uptick. Everything is green on the board. All right, over here at the AMP Twitter account. It is now official on the Vlad Official with full support for trading, lending, borrowing, and saving. Trade AMP with AMP USD and AMP. Earn 1% with the VOD savings. You get 1%. And also your tokens can be collateralized at a loan at a 200%. Get all the details. What are you waiting for? Head over to VOD Official to start earning, trading, lending, and borrowing with over 250 coins. Bitstamp, also about 2 weeks ago, AMP Token, collateral token. AMP Token provides assets and instant assurance for real-world application. So there's 2 new listings on Bitstamp. One of them is AMP Token. All right, back over here at Coin Market Cap. What's our price prediction? I used to say the coin was going to go to 8 to 12 cents. Not saying that right this second. I think the coin's going to go back to 4 to 4.5 cents. That's a fantastic return from where it's at right now. All our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. We do this for fun, educational purposes only. Thinking the coin's going to go to 4 to 4.5 cents by the end of the first quarter. All right, just want to look at the board here. Everything is green. That's a nice feeling to see everything green. Let's go to the top 20. Look at that. Cosmos. Every one of these are green. That's fantastic. Crypto is bouncing back, everybody. Solana's up 22%. Remember those gains when it was under $100 and I was talking about it? We knew it was going to bounce back. Look, it's back to 22% up. Luna's back 13%. Polkadot's back 18%. Look at Ethereum, back over 3,000. Ethereum's up 20% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin is up over 41,000. Everybody looking at their crypto today's got to be happy because everything is up, which is fantastic. The Crypto Bowl or Super Bowl is coming up in a couple weeks. That's fantastic. AMP token is on the up right now. Hey, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon. Bonus videos around 5 or 8. On Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing videos around 3 or 4. If this one's a little bit earlier, hey, everybody, we'll see you a little bit later on today.